So, may dumating tayong package ngayon. This package is from Enflexi. So, if you guys know, naglalaro rin ako ng pickleball. First paddle ko, binenta ko na siya. So, this is an Enflexi Prime X1. Super gritty. This is a foam paddle. I will miss this paddle. Sobrang, it's been very good to me to open plays and everything. Pero, meron na tayong panibagong paddle. Hindi ko pa ito nabubuksan. Sealed pa to. Ayan, sealed pa. Samahan nyo ako today as I open this new paddle. Let's go. So, let's open it. Let's go. Yeah. Shout out to Enflexi for their amazing budget-friendly paddles. Okay, let's open it. Let's go! Oh my gosh! Ang ganda. Wow. Look at that. So this is the Enflexi Falcon, their newest flagship pickleball paddle. Meron siyang kahawig na paddle. Alam niyo na yun kung ano. Wow, super gritty. Elongated long handle. Then there's an NFC chip over here. And then may libreng grip tape dito. Ayan, also green. Paddle eraser with the logo of Enflexi. And pag bibili pala kayo nito guys, huwag na kayo bumili ng cover kasi meron silang cover na provided na kasama. Hindi siya nakalagay sa description. So, tinanong ko yung seller if merong cover na kasama and turns out merong cover na kasama. And meron ring edge guard. So, huwag na kayo bumili kasi merong kasama. Kasi ako bumili pa ako ng edge guard. 3 clear edge guard tuloy yung nakuha ko. Yeah. Meron ring black na kasama na extra. I think that's about it. Then, bumili rin pala ako ng LED tape pero this one is separate. So, yun yung package niya. Paddle, edge tape, paddle eraser, and grip tape na green. This is your Enflexi Falcon. Elongated. Yeah. Can't wait to play with this one. Sobrang excited na ako. Then, abangan nyo yung next video. Magpipimp your paddle tayo. Lalagyan natin ng mga accessories to. Yeah. Yun lang. Diyan eh!